today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sub account in Stripe following our 2025 step-by-step guide. Whether you're setting up your very first sub account or are a seasoned Stripe user, this tutorial will walk you through the process in an easy to understand way, ensuring you have everything you need to get started right away. To kick things off, open your web browser and direct yourself to the Stripe homepage. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, make sure you're logged in to access your dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all Stripe-related tasks. Next, head over to the business page. You can usually find this by navigating through the options in your dashboard. This page houses all the essential settings and accounts associated with your business. It's like the central hub from where you can orchestrate all your business activities on Stripe. Now that you're on the business page, look for the button that says Create Account. This button stands out prominently, usually located somewhere at the top or center of the page. Clicking on this will initiate the process of setting up a new sub account. Once you've clicked the Create Account button, a form will appear prompting you to input a name for your new sub account. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of this account for easy identification later. This could be anything related to the division, department, or geographical area it represents. With the account name chosen, the next item on your list is selecting the country of operation for the account. Simply find the drop-down menu or input box and pick the country where this sub-account will be primarily active. This step is crucial as it customizes the account settings to comply with local regulations and tax requirements. After filling out the details, all that's left is the final action to bring this account to life. Clicking on the Create button. Usually found at the bottom of the form, this button will cement the details you've inputted and officially create your new sub-account. And with that, you've successfully followed the steps to create a new sub-account in Stripe. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring every detail is correct can make a significant difference in how smoothly your account operates. If you need to create another sub-account, you can simply repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features that Stripe offers to enhance your business operations. If you have more queries or need further guidance, our other detailed tutorials are just a click away.